us open this. It's great to have this crowd here. We know KSR is a big part of having that crowd here, so thank you all very, very much. Yeah, and for the crowd. Thank you all very much. I'm Michael Gossam. I'm our digital marketing manager. So happy to be here.
Thank you all very much for coming. A couple things. First of all, to this audience that came, you guys literally are the best audience in radio in the country. There's no other radio show in America that could come on a Thursday across the state and get this crowd in the morning. I cannot tell you how appreciative I am. Seriously, I want you to think about what at times it feels like our country's like.
So I'm going to bet $100 on Western Kentucky University -7.
Woo!